From NRG Stadium, the college football journey beginning with its first full Saturday. Texas Tech taking on Ole Miss. They're going to try and throw it. Got one-on-one coverage. What a grab up top by T.J. Vasher. Wow, that was Odell Beckham style.
Hand off to the near side. That's going to be good yardage. Ward snaking his way inside the 5 and into the end zone for a touchdown. 15 yards for the score. Tom, who's got time, throws deep downfield. Got a man there. Touchdown! A.J. Brown. Throws left corner of the end zone. It's there for the touchdown! A perfect throw to J.D. and High for a 14-yard score. Handoff to Ward. Ward right side. Cut back running to the 5-yard line and into the end zone for the touchdown. Cut back running. He's clear in the middle of the field to the 40, to the 30, to the 20, and he's into the end zone for a 65-yard touchdown.
Coach, congratulations to the Rebels. Big win today. Your 2018 AdvoCare Texas Kickoff champions.